Hi, I'm Steve from Pragmasis. This is a brief overview of our Shed Shackle product. Thefts from sheds have been on the increase for years, and the options for improving your shed security have been either expensive, impractical, or both. Our Shed Shackle makes it easy to secure valuables inside wooden sheds, and it also improves the security of the shed itself. Once fitted to the interior wall of a shed, an easy mounting height allows for simple usage of a chain or D-lock to secure valuable bicycles or garden equipment, etc. It is designed to fit sheds made with structural timbers at least 30mm wide. Sheds with timbers thicker than this will give a stronger mounting for the shackle, which further increases its security. Please note that you must have access to the outside of the shed where you are fitting the shed shackle, so you can bolt it in place through the timber. If you do have a solid concrete floor or a brick wall, a taut ground anchor or a double doofer might be better options to give a higher security anchoring point. The shed shackle has four main components: the central shackle section, two long extension bars, plus one short bar which is used as a side brace to resist twisting attacks. A chain or D-lock can be passed through the shackle section once it is all installed. So why might the shed shackle be a good option for you? The convenient mounting height of the central shackle section often allows a shorter chain to be used, which saves you money and is easier for you to handle. It also helps to keep the chain off the floor, making it harder for a thief to attack. With one or more bicycles directly in front of the shed shackle, it becomes an even more effective deterrent to thieves. The shed shackle is a tried and tested design produced since 2006, and it is still the only shed anchor approved by the UK Police. Additionally, it holds Sole Secure certification to domestic silver standard, which can help with insurance policies. Unlike a conventional ground anchor, the shed shackle doesn't require a heavy concrete floor to the shed or a brick wall to mount it on. Laying concrete and fitting, and indeed using, a ground anchor underneath the shed floor tends to be really awkward, so we designed the shed shackle to use the shed itself for an anchoring point. The shed shackle is also generally a less expensive option compared to a floor-mounted ground anchor. Thousands of shed shackles have been used by builders as part of police-approved development projects. The modular design of the shed shackle gives more flexibility on how it is fitted and allows it to fit more shed configurations. This is a mock-up of a shed wall, and we've mounted a shed shackle going downwards from a window. It is actually more frequently fitted going upwards from the floor, as shown in this photograph. You can see in all configurations that the short side brace is perpendicular to the rest of the metalwork. That brace is there just to resist twisting attacks, and it must go on a structural timber, just as for the other bars. The offset bends allow the bars to overlap, with the result that the whole assembly covers a large area of the wall of the shed. The shed becomes steel reinforced. We design all our products to be easy to install, and the shed shackle can be fitted by a reasonably competent DIY installer, usually in about 30 minutes. If you're not confident of your ability, then any local professional builder or fitter should find it very straightforward. We provide simple to follow instructions that you can view online before buying, so you can decide if you are able to install it or if you might need some help. The only required tools for this product are an electric drill, a spanner, some eye protection and something to mark drill holes, like a marker pen. So that's a very quick overview of the shed shackle. It can be purchased on our website, securityforbikes.com. You can find more information there with security certificates, dimensions, the fitting instructions and more. I hope this video was useful, and thank you for watching.